Jaye, ye won nyema ni bo ono mo a try so betwe ho de afrim. I know say e difficult, but try as much as possible say ode wo nipadua ne besi wo say afori a etuhwa. Ena na opo kan ye. O se mo mfa mo nipadua ne nsi ho na mo ma ne nyete sa afori etuhwa. Enche na wo dimirika na wo koboni mu me pa chew. Advise yourself. I know you 1 2 backbiting. 19 twitwa. Owe jumem, owa sorim, o fie ho abrabo na obo no. Enioma miensa yifiri wakwan mu. Wo yifiri wakwan mu a, you will never fall out of God's hands this month. Number 1, bad deeds. Enioma boni a wo ye, suban boni a wo da na di. Twe ho firi ni nyina mu. Ni atoso mienu backbiting 19 twitwa. Enya wanti ejantom. Enya wona wudi animu nti ejantom chese nsuo kura nton se no. Eye what say we say. Eye what say emwa. 19 twitwa. O twitwa wo 19. Ama wo ho aye hi. O painti picture be before your employers. Ama wo ho aye hi. Opeso o me ehunu se ono de ewi asinyansa nyina ne tirim na ewo. Opeso o me ehunu se ono no na me pa chew se usuba nte se ajai. Asori ni mu ya fa obi so ono na onye mo quarista no leader. Anase mo kwa leader. Ya bo obi din so ono na onye leader for a particular association. Wonso so we a member of it. O twitwa ne 19 because o feel say the leadership enya ade a wani je ho. Na nia unimu ne say nia o ya ama unua enne no ochena wonso so obi be ya ama wo. Ya fa obi asori panyin ena wutwitwa ne 19. O kan sem we nim de gu ne so because ni position no ekura no eye we ya. Me pa chew say we yes you will fall out of God's hands. Bad deeds say kan you fall out of God's hands. But if you reject these 3 things, aminugusu di mu nkomo no a, me say you will never fall out of God's hands. Erade be your bambo for afi ni twat for kra jealousy ahoyia obi sha na tade kra na ye wo ya. Obi kasa ote kasa kra na ohoye na shikeke ahoya se abrabo na obo na hoya kan ho a onko wanimu meti hai se me pese me ba be ye lawyer baby a metese ya se obi ye lawyer no I have to respect that person. You will attract what you desire. So wanimu a ene also a lawyer na no ne brofo kra nyede onso so person be lawyer onso person be president obi ye president ne ho ye wahi umfo obuo kra mfa ma no o person be nsamchironi enso nsamchirofo ho ye wahi o be da be nsamchironi menye jealous unu se obi make progress in life o da chinti sani be ya wo da chi be wie wo ye nti nya abotere ko nipa no ho ne ko bisa ne say brother sign na wo fa so a wo uduru ba bi e waduru no go to them and ask. Don't sit at home and be drawing your own conclusions on things that you have no idea of. Wow. Inti so obi ye na ye yi a ye ma ne ho nye ye chi ye ko ne ho ne ko bisa ne say kwan ba no wo fa so a wa ya ma na ye yi onso person wo ye bi ye play jealous. O ye jealous dodo o twi nunkum jai emwa se wo ye nunkum twefo e wa abrabo yi mu a obi ye yi ana eye washi obi koso ana ye washi but ura fi se adwuma no amuwo mu no esoro obi ara na ho odin ni obetumi aye we dia obetumi aye ni oya mo wani nje ho so ati ase enti eniema miensa yi na kwafiri abrabom oye ne se beboa wo. Reject 3 things in your life. bad deeds, backbiting, and ntintwitwa any jealousy. Yini nyinaa eden efa firi wakwan mu. Uyi firi wakwan mu Awurade adom bedo so ama wo. Na fe wodaakye beye fe, wodaakye beye akono na ebeye nhwesode e de ama afoforo nyinaa. Awurade onka ye ho adom nti amen. Me pacho 31 minutes after 8 live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Dwumadie ni ye Maakye. Ene the 16th day of September. Ena yeguso a yeti enkunya kese so a yedi dwumadie de brem wo frɛ me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo wadwen kyerɛ mpakyɛw fafa 0594841044 0594841044 na nyame ɛyɛ adom a ene ɛyade a ECOWAS extraordinary section meeting no ɛbɛkɔ so ne akɔso ɛkyena nti as we speak members ya omo eye part of ECOWAS no ebinom ba enra anopayin so ebinom aba meeting ekoso ho no mo omo hwe kwan omefa so a the political unrest and as civil unrest ekoso ewo Guinea ene Mali no omo be solve no but nia eye of important now eye ne ekoso wo Guinea enra maame a wono ene wo ye Minister for Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration Mame Shelley Ayoko Bochi Osinkrofo akeka se ade ne hyase enya de a omo ne yewura Alpha Conde ekasaye oso omo ne kasaye na mum Alpha Conde ene oye asoden Alpha Conde so say or sesa constitution ne call ne third term because na opese otie anase na otie Guinean women Guinea for man ene no mo kire se omo pese Alpha Conde esan ebabium enti eno so nsam ene no o kire se omo hia mission no ayesoma omo call Guinea no omo de omo recommendations nyina ene omo report e de beto eye ECOWAS mpanimfo no anim ene anopai nti eno so ye ni de akire an ye besi ho bia no ye di mu amanebo no ebema mo ma yankwa homa ne so nkonkobo nkomo wi emfamra ye ne kasama for edema waek ekotwetwe enkomo ma me Winifred ajani ye wa homa ne so madam oti yanka no pai ya mo ache e de aba henkan 93.3 FM so
thank you so nichia utiefo nyina
atiefo ejo so
Winifred
Ampiao Winifred Ampiao okay all right ma me kan misa e de enti na mwetwa physics any business management ni mu
yeah can say our papers ni no ya reschedule and based on your internal monitoring or mechanisms are they are too kind in now your reschedule our papers however per se assure public say and your stakeholders say the measures I will draw as to claim to safeguard the integrity of our examination and measures need be strict internal controls and compliance staff I will say audition to ensure say go by the security regulations of the council. You assign increasing inspection and monitoring at various centers. You assign withdraw some supervisors and invigilators services are render the Mark Council no for further pending further sanction. Scrutiny of scripts or schools are cheating have been reported no so also measures we they are too common. Now almost better in social and in the course of the exam tip off the schools to be so applying say almost engaging in examination irregularities and examination malpractice. And since our schools so sure let's the schools for no mokoko say monitor or more closely. Until at the end of it, you move in social inspectors now but the report paper. Until based on normal reports and then the findings investigation we are sanctions be I will say yeah apply they be apply that appropriately. You see, and no na yeah they are to just.
Okay. Okay. Inti some of the schools are modu omudin etu dwa no obetimi ya repeat the ama e bia na enene day di kan ya obi etisa asemi.
To me, me repeat it. Baby, I'm a one any way. It's by me kai meaning King David College, so many can home. Ideal College, Sunyane can home. Christ the King Senior High School, Boase can home. Modern Senior High School, on can home. And a modern Senior High School, a working sample can home. Yeah, was Tepa Senior High School, Ejisu Senior High Technical School, and Baku be a
Okay. Inti we no mono dear ben potin na mo ye wo mo.
Senior Mekan, it's our schools, no, a tip off me, inti yeah, short letter, yeah, mass schools, no, say. Na yate ya bo mu koko say you need your mochi and I answer you tighten your monitoring and inspection team no it was our various schools no to just ensure say and say and embasso na so much show we say you be sign I investigate reports na monitoring and our inspectors no and the back from the various schools no. Not just these schools, but other schools as well. But we a tip off our
Okay, mommy, I'm trying to say you examination malpractices and afi obi try to engage in adebia any prescribed by more outfit, you know. Idea akoswa more or less eba baby to say a ritual thing. A dear ben pana waek. Mo was a mo ye and I said mo ye na mo dia solve this thing more or less eba baby be to say perineal e wo my gan mu hanu mo yi
me that say na ye ka examination malpractice the beka say it is not a WAEC issue ya said it is a moral issue. WAEC as an organization there were stakeholders any supervisors, any vigilators, external your contract based on integrity say obey to me I ensure say in Colano independent work comply with the rules and regulations. Ube who says supervisors maybe and vigilators maybe ask my go on my phone. Ako inside and now ma allow candidates no the phone ako inside no more question paper omo try social no omo question paper no more they are to social media na obia solve no more smuggle answers no more they are call inside. I believe say you would agree with me that it is not just a YX thing, it is a national thing. I will say you want a moral issue. I will say we come on board and we speak against it say omo yes no it will say omo jai. Why inspectors to me we rely on these supervisors and vigilators to a greater extent. Majority of them are doing a great work and we appreciate them for it. But if you be engage in some more practice, no more allowing color into a baby you identify say in social air course or no. Some of them more practice they say poor supervision from invigilators. Obi were inside or our examination hall. Inspector from WAEC Bebano. Obi say who invigilate but who allow kola no more kasa. Why are you there? You are there to ensure that and yama way ANC. So they are poor supervision from those invigilators. And yasa identify say ebi kwa omo kasa arrange ama nkola no then they would smuggle maybe solved solutions. No more distributed their candidates. If you call smuggle phone, send your mechanic no they are called examination hall. I believe this is a collective fight that we all have to come together and look at. And yeah, why and examination more practice. Baby, I can say it's a national canker that needs to be kept now to avoid the national threat a bit to me a pose. A bit to me, I can say so. You will now. I'm finally say we're cheating away through DEC, they are called SS, they are cultural wati. Was saying cheating away through one can very well say in Pakon say no ye and now who invigilator no who allowing Pakon money yes sir and the person finds him or herself now were very medical doctor. Na said that who invigilator and now be a who copy hospital now you say doctor away the wall pania. So we in the show say na pania ben or the one in school no to me call ni ye or tiadia na see na one cheating away through. So sometimes we need to look at the long-term effects of SAR practices. Oh, yes, let's all come on board. Let's all sensitize our relatives, our siblings, families, or mutual and social. Say, when you go to the examination hall, don't engage. Main D rogue website for each year, almost posting fake versions of question papers. Say, we never in teacher, say, now. Catch a candidate and say, hey, why for who say questions no and they are posting or social media into your master questions no and you know question to me father cross answer questions to me don't share answer a paper this is an international exam into answer na over paper it has to go through the right procedures and this is an international exam that comprised of all the 5 member countries. There are procedures to be followed. Me encourage candidates say, concentrate on books more, to me actual social because the questions are from their own syllabus.
Okay.
The questions are not outside their syllabus. If you're more syllabus, teachers will know and show more kinds almost here, almost to me. Without cheating.
Okay, another one and also for raising concerns. Yeah, say people ne beto abonten na say waye keka say wetwam na as students no mu na pay the price of say people na ba abonten. Meanwhile, ebinom so kire say mo ankasa mo nkrofo ya wankasa kra waje atum say some of the supervisors ni bi no mo ye saade no adintin ya mo fish out those people na mo punish them rather than say innocent students are mo wo mo ba bi no and ya na ekoba saa esunsun sanso no kom so.
That's why time there we always evaluate the situation before we administer and Yebeka say this is what we are putting in place. In the course of the exam, we noticed elective mathematics and English papers, are almost shown on the 9th and on the 13th, respectively. There were some snapshots of SAR papers, circulating, it was printed, a handwritten. And what our monitoring team noticed was that there were extracts of parts of these question papers, APA, while the exam was in session. But then the extent was not, the information or the circulation was not extensive. We put in place measures able to me address it. In the event where we think, say, well, it's an extensive circulation that would put other people, because at the end of the day, you want to create what? Fairness. Because Obi to me, advantage over Obi. We'll make sure, say, at the end of the day, it is fairness that we want to implement. If we feel, say, it wasn't extensive, and we know that we have measures put in place, because one of the measures that we are going to do is, as an organization or as council, we are deploying internationally accepted assessment procedures and our intervention to guarantee, say, at the end of the day, the results that will come out would be credible. Until sometimes we weigh these options and say, okay, this is what we need to do. Until if there's a need for you to reschedule a paper, and also
students they pay the price.
Well, we won't say that the students. It's unfortunate that sometimes the person probably these circulations are a in the course of the exam. That's why we are saying that we have our own internal mechanisms that we put in place, and we know based on our monitoring team, we know where these issues took place. We would make sure that we would introduce or would use internationally accepted mechanisms or procedures and interventions to address these issues, so that at the end of the day, it would be like it would be fair to all candidates or mutual social.
Okay, so finally, ansa na ibeja okwan wakokra no. The last time ye nyanentie se na education minister kan bibi se omo enemo bekasa se ne be ya se even digital ya abai kra bi na mo be digitize mo nneoma na bibi afa be fo kwan so anka beboa eno so ehun hyehye te sen.
Well, digitization, I think that we are always ready. If the infrastructure is there, why not? It is something worth considering, but also making sure that this is a national or international exam. If Ghana wants to go digital, schools and centers or more training, do they have the infrastructure to do that? I think maybe we'll probably start off from there, ensuring that the infrastructure is there. We conduct exams on behalf of government. And see if at the end of it, the infrastructure is there and we can go electronic, why not? I think that WIAC is fully ready for that.
Okay. Mami misa we na fe minya kwan kra. Ewo misa we ya adwuma e wo WIAC de. But ebinom nso so kire se ase WIAC pen wo mo hwe examination bi ati say so ni ntino. Ama sa mo monopoly life no. Ama ni amoye ni nyina so we ye nkwan ntino. Ama mutirimu ayam de bebre. Se what is our same year? Oh, yeah, Juma WIAC, no, yeah, saying that at the end of course, what do you mean?
I think that when it comes to tertiary assessment, and yeah, WIAC and a examining body, we have other examining bodies that almost tertiary space, and the issues being raised, it is not an issue of monopoly. That's what I'm saying. Say, okay, examination more practice across not just Ghana. If you look at UK, other countries, almost on social, they go through similar issues. But it's integrity, and it's a national thing. I will say you who say when you are writing exams, you need to ensure say some of these things, you need to stay away from it. So we would say it is not the monopoly that would address the issue of examination more practice. It is moral issues, it is integrity issues that people don't want to comply with. Supervisors in if you have or you uphold your moral issues, you won't really be swayed by some of these things. Will be amount 100 cities in teacher questions from these are moral things, and I think that we can create a broader discussion on the national threat examination more practice creating.
Okay, Madam Anopai, yani ati for ya see that's papa wo brand wada je wanyama. Okay. Ebusiafo yani Mame Winifred Ampiao and ekotwetwe nkomo oye kasama for the West African Examination Council. Ye twom dinitia from say WIAC. And yene no ekobo enkomo no. And I think say something serious has to be done on this examination malpractice. And in the because as a baby one too many. Many time I hear exams, could I be pie? Meaning, so penny most of the time we be pie. I say, exams be a true be a pie. Yes, yeah, and then I'm ha. That's it. Too much. I'm tempted to believe those people are also say brasso. I was see your money competitive between WAEC and other examination bodies. Now among compete because say ade na ba be yo no nko a say na bi kan na ni tirima ne de o feel say yo no nko a okọ UK a electricity company I wo UK no enya ba ko pe o but oba Ghana ha electricity company of Ghana ECG into ECG the open ono so to de bia no wo ye de kire yen ma me kwa homa no so na yen sanko di nkomo we famra ye ne yera ASP Edmond Ejekum ekwa akotwetwe nkomo MTTD commander Brim Central Municipal Assembly ASP oti enka no pay all correct sir
yo akra me jo so na what to say
nyame ahumi mabu na won so
oluman oba dia da roma pe bia de nyina
ye de radiase maye ni kan emo mabaso adwuma amaye efiri bra eja kese yi beto achimo dan adwa kese nim ehye no adwuma amaye me yemo mabaso maye ade pa na mo motivation wen
yo ni di kan no me de asida no we bia otie mo fi di kese and the asida no efiri me tani ACP Mr. Divisional Commander Municipal Police Commander Chief Superintendent Mr. Amuako the PA Officer Mr. Danso enemy mu enemy man tell me maba wa won potem nyina say oyini ketie ipo odama no sabe ye pre omo no omo ana no mani ahwe ya na jude so mu asemisi obia solid tupa ejia ne na so besi ne due ya sabe mi no ka say sabe mi na nkan so medu market ho no mo ti asidan ye so mu pa
na mi bisa ba bi amunya mu nkran hye ne di free e ma bo adwuma free e bra asem kase e ba ye
yo ni etienze prosi yes I akate nsumu awiamu anajo ahoma chen se de bebo Ghana enipa ku a o man Ghana ne adwabade e wo mu ban e ho ban ije ya se de prosi fo bi se si a wo hia se bi o se frewo na wo sole ndi ye juma se bi ye pani IGP ye offer ye juma o de se ya se tem bia bi sie no encourage ni free ono ho ana woni individuals encourage free onti e jumadi aye die di sabe adewe anya ade aye mama bebre
okay every bra ade yi ba ye ama afi uduru achim odan ba bia na ordinarily ye nyina enim se ha de wo kwa me kwa kofa akra ka me kofa ebia ka ko fun ase ayiribi afi ni nyina afuntum afra ene obi tie yen na se oba achim odan traffic situation say enete ena lorry stations no so no eno so say na eno so hunsam city
yo no kre sa we ni boy ama kroneni abutu na kroneni adane ama ni ma bebre asesa ni titiri odwadi fo ton eni ma odwomu ho eni akanhefo ba bi asabi obia asambre no adima keti ama ni so lodu na me ni ma sisa na sisa akati chese uko odame station juma bia ehyen bia di ni hono station bia o dada bia ansa na oye ni bebo bia omgusu ye juma ni asisa ba ku mienu ye etwere so any old town ezongo for station no am old education office no and them one is say bi ni ama mo asabi oye ni ato money na say biche abo mo no hono say asambe no dia ma mo say sa kwa no actually for no load for kia for no hono no say there e wona dwari for ma na sambre say animanimu ya sabi omu hata omu niema na me ya mu sabe koma no dia fa from omu load ho no omu station na no bia sisa bi na san ko for no kura ho kura no ya fa bi do ma che old education office in chen ho e say no na msa na ma traffic di dia be kuro papa di say ya sisa ya kakra say enka ne no a shell load station on more. A BPA abontia, a befakia for any more. Naba Babe Prempon Road no abe Liberty no abe Sinko. And now more you know going to say yes, Kakra. Maybe I have federal station on the adapter or name mom who do station we now Piaco baby Abaqua. Who cock of fat in Tiamwa Road no, Sabiano, not Oyen anymore and nay one way. That you said it's up on your beer to carry my boys down one papa. You road station one Pia for fat in Tiamwa. Because it's a MPP office in Honmo, never be up to us. So, the be also Liberty Hall and no more for Old Town. Not my friends say a one way education or property at Potomo, as a one way. But the Nam and Society we now been in the hospital, you be a two second in San Home Ecoba. Engineer Ma Tito Artista, a walk, at some more Abayuno. I can't say to Median and no teacher. Never said the woman.
Okay. And Yajidi sir, Momran Tiano so ewo kwan so a baby a obi hyede nim kwan no omo e kyerɛkyerɛ wo mo.
Ɛyɛ no kra, no ka se mfra madu ho no mo. Sɛ se no, ɛnam sɛ ɛnema bi ansa kakra no total ho kakra no enkan na udu ho no mo a utumi ebu course okofa multi credit ho no. Ɛm sa ho kakra no ze fan no yɛ tiri kakra. Nti obi bia o pese okofa multi credit anim ho no mo no. Sɛ bi udu total ho no mo a twa post straight. Na kwakofa entia moa bia ba ho no na pese ho no. Na sa be fie. Baby after Jumedi after Ubeti ni wo edwana chi ho no kia fo no ho. If they say multi credit anymore no. Ye ti pempim katra o se ehyen bia hwe na amfa ho se ne be ya edom na APP station no obi abenya kwan no afa entem ho no mo ana sa baka no memra ntia no maba no di nyamia bebre enti se wufiri baabi na wo ba enedie ya yesi da odan ye se ahyen ifefiri mentini nyamia bebre beba obi a ofin se obedu baabi a open direction bia wo no wo memra ntia no maba wa na city gas fo no a ye no mu yedi dwuma bom no omu je nyamia enti se bibi kire wagin so a mesela se mfeli busa omu na baabi a ko bia omu be kire wo kwan no akodu asumdiem.
Okay, enti ASP ye ja mo akokra no sa situation ya sisi ye yakomu yi ebe wo ho no mo akopem enadodo sen
yo nia chense eno a ye nam senior o isi ya mo pani nam senior minister oba ha no mo ene MP on potem ya Mr. Akwasi Afa Honorable ene mami MC Madam Victoria, you know, any security has a committee or this assembly. Emma Regional Minister at the to say, you know, Abano, if you know, you can stop up for so by at the better so the same thing. We in Abano. A man for Mr. Yuma, a bind Akumas, when the end chair, as long as the end chair, Messa, BBA will be agreed. And your Japadia say, you know, Messa, you then no, there's a moment time frame. It's something for the meantime. So that you mamma, year more, and 7 morning, you know, a momo, a finer, a lot of panel, or moon founder, or minimum mind, or my boy and Obasa and check. That a dana bubu no said, will be pages, you are in more than 1 year. A yes from Concra, you are came and the area and penny for a Sabian normal buy, and what can you do? I could see bra on Bessadi. Market no asabi tini na movie.
Okay. Enti na che baby ananke yakokofa akra aka e de call condition no e hono na asisi a wo kire se omu di ama adwadifo ma no.
Me ba to the mama nti oye oda main station. Baby bia ya paka o main station ho bia omu gusi yo modwuma.
Oh, okay.
Ye mi chewe no. Eye ufri Prempon hono mo. For Old Town.
Okay.
All dedication and that is the partner. Ni Benkuno, what you mean for Benkuno, who could hear the affair for no.
A one, okay.
That, you know, a 60 up one or a barbecue, baby, or Old Town type street, you know. A hawker can literally for no, maybe a man to about you by then. Edi ama mma no. Edi the man no asabi ɛtɔn nneɛma ahodoɔ no ɔno de si ɛmaa no ebia ne sɛ yɛ ɔmo ɛtɔn ɔmo nneɛma. Yaba wɔn de baabi a yɛyɛ gu baabi akuma ti station radio station ɛhehe baabi a buki adwuma.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. ASP anopai ma yena se obre no adaje a wanyama yen.
Next me damasi o akonya mo dia ma na me se obia se o ba ku ni na na aba no obia hwe ni so. Na service oye ne we ankopure to if say am for mo ne so mo na mo number no e to say yan di so bibi ye se na mo am my corporation na djuma de na ya de o gidi so oda ade ombra ya djuma de obia be boye. Oye ne we service ya brana.
Okay. Okay. Ansa na okokra no yenim se ade yi ba ye ma bifu up more security. But ye be sira mo ma san de bi aka ho enra ye nua ba ko ye report sa ye hwim ni phone eko. Enti enti ye be sira mo na security ma san bifu ne up amai.
Anajunya yamlante ne petrol hono mo ndi waka yate adisia die hu a waka ntini yelbe people to me improve.
ASP anopai yada se papa. Okay. Inti yani ASP Edmond Ejikum na etwetwe nkomo ono na oba Brim Central Municipal Assembly a oye MTTD commander. And yan between come on me pachao Jumedie no ya Maakye live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Let me do this one nafi yentwa so emfa emma we say happy birthday to the general manager of Esikafo Herbal Clinic, Mr. Seth Amponsa. Or say may the Almighty God bless him and may he grow up to 104.3 and beyond. And another one says, happy birthday to Madame Mercy, or your nurse and staff of Esikafo Herbal Clinic. May the Almighty God bless her and may she grow to 93.3 and beyond. From Eric Usu eho eno de kwama munyina eninti eno so ho ensem no usu betimi do de aba na yakenkan de kama de ama 0594841044 0594841044 eninti sedam di kan ka kire mo no ayade a ECOWAS summit enamie mienu eno mo de hihye so ene de no ayade a ebekoso ewo and crime. And okay, say some of the people ni bi ayade a omo aba heads of state ni ebi no mo aba and also so omo ehwe animu so omo be ya na amahwe kwan be fa so a ne ekoso ewo Guinea no omo pani ne dua gubre. We say good morning, I really enjoyed your show. You may wo sehwi yo so nyame be kire koso ane koso na JM all the way yate JM all the way dia Matthew Kofi Sami papa bi edi free sehwi so ene wo de ba ene ano pay we so say your friend is saying Charles Boatin Jataba or say or hwe show no live e wo kwawu fodoa ye chia kwawu nyina na no pay sanso ena Sir Matthew or say thanks to Jesus and watch our ha say good morning what the message ba na yenka ho asem a mehwe ne saa mesi abi na ta na wa ata na bi na wa fa message fa de yenye ka ho asem wa ha enye ne awuti ufi a watwera wo to pete saa keke eno de beduru ha no mo a me maso ana ma to atwene dasbin nim ma dwene me ho din because me nka ho asem wa ha mo fa ne saa na mo de ne nanam media houses no a mo ni bi so mo bekin kanti aha de yen so saa de ne so tie yen na ne ye ka ne mum ene fa ho asem fa bra simple we okay ma me fa we mum twam bra me ba na me de we aba beto aso nti me ba chon ko ba bia ye ba tie we ma me
Hey masa go bi.
Hey, Sansa.
Mommy for me mattress and come there, mommy.
Woni how? Na e dia mattress ni ye. Oh, Samsam pa, na mattress bi akeka na akoto. Oh, we ye dia brand. Why na ye? Hwe, se nye ash foam. Na che se want mattress o. E distress pa na wato no. Aha nko a. Mattress e be ma wa chia ye o ya. De bia na odi mrika akwa hospital. Nurse for no kra hu no wa start dwane. Anaza obeto use mattress tray bia. E be ma asusu dai bone. Anajo sori na keke tisa wo kra ma risky. Tie eye ash foam mattress ne nimpa so no mape. Ne ma hunam dua no hojojo no. Etene wapom. Ne ma oda na ho. Na ma nipadua na sisi ne ho so.
Afena meni ewie.
Begiem papa hudu bebre mattresses, pillows, bed linens, duvets, and in your mouth fight this is demo. Ewa ash foam.
Freyen was 055-299-7330 and now 0245-011-255. Shisha ash foam depot. Ewo oda kede stredro akroso ana atiasi. Na beto ash foam products ko siesie with them. Wasasu ana wejaye bia. Ebium su carpenter for ne upholsters. Mubetumi enya carpentry products na ewo ye shops. Wubehu ash foam oda showroom ewo Ntiamwa Junction.
Ash foam, feel it, know it.
Okay, so still live on Ahinkana 3.3 FM. Matching Media ni Edi Ash Foam. Yeda Mase Bibre. Now Weasel Semin Kanchra well team and pay se ope asase atoa. Ewo achim abu mpacho pasase atoa achim abu asase amanso twe bia ni ho. Asase abrantie bia mehim ni nufu. Emu so masron kan ho a. 0553044069 0553044069 brabeto asase a manso twe bia eni so litigation free K Asenso Limited the seven country well team anopay say nyame ya wadom watimi abie o company kama awasa odi nkonwa papa di gum nkonwa ye bowura wo office hwa be hunu sampa wani abie K Asenso Limited and I make for my nano pay. If I told K Asenso say, oh, Baba ton your man and do no, ever be free delivery at the amount, be or my gun and Muhammad. Baba yes, free delivery no at the amount. A swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic book chairs, and I will pay a K Asenso Limited and make for amount. Or seeming country say, and found said you mudrut here. Osonwa o your brane te se me amete ha yi a me pa chawo K Asenso se onso so also ene wakonwa e wo ho circle adabraka of Iran clinic kaneshi eye Flamingo Road Zongo Junction hwa ubehunu K Asenso Limited wo ho pa chawo freyen 0302 257 209 0302 919 739 K Asenso Limited or say home of quality office chairs and book chairs. Ash foam semin kanchira wa utie me na no pay say ope quality mattresses and I would egu fie ho amankwada no nya bi so ada me kamfo eye ash foam and the amount enkoto awufo mattresses no enkoto ayarefo mattresses na ebi mu ada so adwonso egu so nam se airfo nti me pa cho wanhwe yi a waka kofa de a ebe hawo ene de ama ho so ate ase yese opa ade adufu da wonya asem adufu di ene nti sa wo mpene sa na ope mattress a woda so a ebe san aye wachi bramo ni ho adwuma ebe massage kama ama won sori no obesan a regain a new strength no atwa wadwuma so a ene na me kamfo ash foam and a di amount mikodin komo wi aba me ba mesan atwa no so ho ama de bone so yenko ne ne eye nana tachi oye PRO edema concerned NAPCO trainees nana otimi nkan no pay mamo achi aba hinkan FM so
me da sini ha be ma
ompombo ko de okay enti concerned NAPCO trainees no mo ye recognize one
very recognized
by
let me make some clarification here.
Okay.
I started with concerned NAPCO trainees, but later on, you be changing concern and coalition.
Okay.
Of NAPCO trainees, which is your friend Conat.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for that corrections. Namibisa about some way recognized by a him for.
Oh, we also the Oba Napco media a fresh initiative, and you need a corporate body, and I say you need legitimate association. But coalition of Napco trainees here, Napco for a year, Juma, I was skin this year, Yakaya Boma, the BM Koya, and I say, yeah, or how be a twin and war program, is it a same Kimwa. Ye cut yano ebuano na ye de bar bonting ye de tumpin framing na ye sounded to a media fatality today. In Dobizamia, as it stands, no, you need legitimate and as a corporate body via, like I say, and that Napo are in 24 as sanction and as in 24 are Gia Tumisabia, we are organized labor, a shed Napusan as in but they are concerned. Now, training teacher who teaching food and as a teaching faculty, they all concerned teachers are BBM Koya on the bar about.
Okay, maybe Sasa because unse more folly and I would want to believe say youth employment agency and I'm
very well, yeah. Program no different from the youth employment agency.
Okay.
Youth employment agency me yeah a Jumakobia. One more in the right from a secondary school and as a senior high school. But with this NAPCO program, a nation builders corps, and no yet graduate almost universities.
It's more mother company then.
Yeah, you know, a programmer about a flagship programmer about at the buyer. So I just say, but what touch it. Program no implementation model implementation partners into your under a health sector, your education sector, what as the Ghana revenue sector, and what Kabuma almost friend a nation builders corp no.
Okay, all right, Mate. My uncle your main issue no as so more resi year concerns be say more appeal to the government. I assemble na more appeal to the government.
Madam say when you have so Bekaya prior to 2020 elections. No, a buying another Dankweku for the betu yenim. Only now the initiator of this program, a nation with the score, or the buyer say, or the better a unemployment situation as a graduate unemployed, na a J in Tingo or Mangana. And the project election, contract me 3 years. Don't bet to abandon or buy say, not go for. Yana made the program the buy. My use to coupon. Senator from my national service are mandatory. Na 3 years, DDA. Na come a bear. Mumbo, na me second term. Na come a bar. Na come a farm a Jumadada. Obunika say a permanent job. No. Some of the mark of the mainstream work. I'm over here, Jumadada. And the actually be a more pension do. Asana my day, Marco fee. And see about Sano, Napco trainees yet today. Yet see Yahoo go up on Chinsway a campaign more than at the man and another Danko Kufado. Say no, I say more so bar, Sevica for the fame, Juma. Now, I think Juma precope. And see a man, the BB almost friendly career pathway transition process. It was 2020 November at the buyer. Satan not able some barco. No more for Tuaba. No, Dinas can say career pathway transition process, no, Diabano. And in that, you beg Dinasuya, they be failing in particulars. Now, a Dinas no sign a permanent job, no. And see, now, 3 options. First one is permanent employment. Wow, penal, now, second one, no, entrepreneurship. Wow, per se program, no, at the end of the 3 years, now, that's a contract in this one. About wow, now establish your own business. No. That's why they was subscribing to. And the last one, no, a further learning. One person call your masters, one person call your degree, na dear no, a bunch of more scholarship. Now, what's in your day? Acquire. Now, we know, Uncle Poncha, the old Fabani, no, then another Dunkel go for Edin Queen. And see, I'm no can say program where in seniors are Yaquama, a couple some barco, October, no program, not a year. Internet said, another Dunkel Kufado, the Boston or the saying, no, Yapon Bodiana, ye kind say portion of the say you not say ye campaign ma wa ye boa no time a heading edu into ye frewa na ka ye den the wash no so na mana embrini du wa anko ya anko ye say ye coffee because ya wo share a reporter researchers researcher about a reporter manager say graduate unemployment situation no I then I am more or many more a threat to national development na wo share entity ya nya bema and say aban bu adwuma na okase ko ofa mbebunu bia ana so ofa graduate bo a mo awie sukupoma o mo aye adwuma na ka meji this one be ha just say the NAPCO beneficiary should be a first point of contact. It's na make us not go for use sukupon what's here for why on national service asia akoye program with 3 good years and skills no mwenya experiences no mwenya they are abreast with the practicality of the job field. So NAPCO be NAPCO for a year juma ninya 9 managers e bon NAPCO training sabaso and he ekoye say in so na say abano and more she say papa bia na say almost 100,000 young graduates e senior befia unemployed ninya bema they did say a threat to national development and you know ayen kaya by no I didn't cut a woman a goon cut out said their bubble to the media fraternity. Moboy and a kaya by no. Na send a bear, the boss share or share no bedding. Ever this pepe, na ama ankofa or yen be heading. Ama.
Okay, so the last time me cross check here, me who say abino asha or absorb some of Moncroft ebi permanently. And almost 18 categorically say enya mu nyina na ye be fam because obu onomo a na ni suma nhyɛ da nyɛ 2 obu onomo a adwuma na okokoye ye no kra na wan hyɛ da ntre ne ho anyɛ enti saa nyoma ni nyina wo dai na didi a ene wo no na je say you are kissing NAPCO uwie ya na no ano no ukọ baby enti don't you think say if there is something I was say more real core I was somewhere real co-encrophobia behavior say, opposite absorb yeah, and yet there are things you need to do, things you don't need to do.
With regards to the outcome, anything a management, a monitoring team, what the buy and customer tax force one more up for the corporate institutions, corporate environment, none of countries near one. Assess performance. Line manager could be common. A branch in the bar, Najuma yet to say. Ensure certificates or the genuine certificates and or do right to make any one. And you say, yeah, Abana heading, Abana didn't whole report yesterday at the court. So I believe, say, monitoring team and as a task force no call, report na almost a kind of submit ama NAPCO management and they be provided deltas at a nipa way or simesi we are so banking or share a recommendation a ne master and as a line manager and my a separate say management or simesi way or share reporter ne manager and I say ne line manager maya and yet and so simesi we need to me day and management near Bama. A binary career pathway transition process by a exit plan by about 73,000 young graduates almost in so and subscribe to. But according to His Excellency Nana Dankwa Fado, the speech on my NSA will be or active to the career pathway transition process or money day or management into car. No, yeah, but anything on the monitoring team about almost assessing or evaluating your performance, no one say way. We on Kwejuma, when the relationship with a line manager crying and Koyi, into then you found, then you let me at the end of it, Yamanajuma, and I say Yamanajuma, saying is any no why then, 1 way, into the person here with the manifestation of Sa and Yamani now, then, 1 year, those who qualified to be given permanent job. Just yet, because I think that they should base on our credentials. Our skills and experience I had in expose you to the job environment. Based on it, normally integrating in
enti o de ne wo kan say experience na amanya no eno no mo hwe so na ebinim suban ne de ma wonim say suban so wo de bekọ o de kọ na usuban ne nya wo besan ba back
me abema so betim asie ya okay behavior can be defined we did say monitoring team no mo call you no say na me pa a kire no the line managers no na dey no home no di no ma recommendation but the recommendation ni be kire say say ni pa wo yo na kotu no so me say na so no recommendation and the line manager man ni kire say o ye na djuma pepepe we say ni pa bi say no we don't need any a complaint and I say excuse be say yen den yen fa na adwuma ti na make say monitoring team no omo ba no me hwe yen performance yen experience yen skills yen nya we adwuma no mu the government should base on that no yen den on fan adwuma the end of the scheme na kwa say nipa 100,000 young graduates and that's 70,000 no active to the transition process ni na e be ko fi ni
okay, but nana tachi me gidi say we are aware say aban no absorb binimu a permanently omo eye adwuma
minya be ma be say wa you can't provide me with prima facie evidence and I say empirical evidence to support that claim.
No, the question is me bisa say I'm not saying say wa fawom but me bisa say we are aware.
Yeah, but the American say ye na can attest to that fact say edum enye adwuma but say the nako program no koye no de bia no na me complain with the modus operandi na me say enye danka omu betumi aye bia fo akebe den ebe ye there are number of nako trainees omu nye adwuma it wasn't at the result and as it wasn't the help of the NAPCO scheme and as the NAPCO facility in the bomb no nye adwuma then you have what the Makoto Air Gun Education Service. You were classroom and the year. But as usual connection dealings.
Nana Taji. I say you lose reception from your end. Inti I don't know. Say obetimi a reposition ho yi amayen a. Yes.
But they respect to their own connections and dealings. It wasn't about recommending 2020 election.
Okay. Online here too bad, but I think say your point is well made evident. Yes. Yeah, that's be brave. All right, so Nana Techi, a PRO, Edima Coalition of NAPCO trainees, and Yenene Kwatchin and Komono before. Meneno Ebekobo and Komono. I was talking about a ash foam. Ash foam say Obanu ko school and I will pay mattress de amano a ash foam mattress na say o koko pe e de mano ash foam mattress na that's what entom your mattress ni bi wo no ma that's what bon say atom nti say o that's sa with that same position for a while obon say wo be sori na wachi bremo no wenya fault e wo ho me pa chew apomuden de wo hwe so yi e beboa wo wo ahoden ne e ka se hwe apomuden so yi a obefu se ye kasa tuatua waso na nyame eye wadom e na wokwa kopiem e wo community wokopiem Jubilee wokopiem wo Achimodan Government Hospital na wasan ba afi ye di apomuden ho nkoma radio nu wokura na abebie volume nu watie ni ye nti ye ka ne sei obeka se o twa afechew obebo mi mfi taduku sisi a ha o twa nanso so ebere no so a onka bi na ata na wa tie as foam se bra beje mattress papa beje mattress papa na daso niamo ankasa mo daso double size queen size one size bibia mu benya bi ewo ash foam wo mo depot ho enomo ani nti se wutie me owo eye kede owo swedru owo eye across so achiase ene ne potamo a mo so mu benya ash foam ni bi wo ho no mo na ɔmanfo a ɛwɔ achimwa dano momo beko Intiamwa Hotel Junction Fre 0552997330 0552997330 and 0245 011255 0245 011255 Osimin control say a bed sheet nea wodi dura ɛyɛ wo mpa ne ho nea wodi dura usum yɛ ho duvet ɛyɛ towels wardrobes na wo pɛ anaasɛ sofa type bɛn na wo pɛ ne nyinaa wo benya bi wɔ ash foam or say grab the best quality product for your home me pa to tumirika ne kokɔgye wo deɛ na company yi ɔmo pasase atɔ nti sɛ utie me na wo asase ɛdi free Akim State Junction hɔ abɛpem aboabo na opese wo ton afre 0244 878763 0244 878763 and 0205 581618 0205 581618 Anopai, a very good morning going out to you. Also for F on Cancer, one oyere Mary in Cancer, Yamishra Mosanso so and Mr. Benjamin Edu Pepra, husband of MC Nyankopon Inshra Monano pay me. Mamuna, good morning. Me some here. Yamia dom yanso so yan hoye papa yes Yamishra Diamamo. In fact, honorable MC and honorable MP more pain so the among someone kasa. Nyame enka mo ho onyina mochi na muntumi ni nyina so nkonim market monye no modern nsi ni modern one pa na enyemudin na so nyame nyankopon de bia no oyi bibi firi ho no de bibi ahye ho enti we no a abasa no ye hwe market ya mubesie di amayen se ba akono de se World Bank nti si ya ye hwe bank kura wo ba besi we no so de amayen any star ya modeba wait yes we near World Bank we nti we no so se be de we be Exim Bank ma shemo boy Exim Bank for abeboa mo why abeboa mo na o pese wudi Ahinkan FM ya chi e wo social media handles ne so a Ahinkan 93.3 FM on Facebook, YouTube nso yes Ahinkan 93.3, Ahinkan 93.3 on Instagram, same on Twitter. If I told you chi ubetimi atie yen wo my tune in modern Ghana sanso na www.ahinkanfmonline.com and so ubetimi atie Ahinkan FM e wo ho enemo Captain Jesus Prayer House say omode bosome ba ko empire ba kwantu ene de ahye so eye August bosome ne na to so aduonu enum ene omo hye ase emu da so ginamu a nyame adom a ebobo sumi ne de twato kra 30th September ene omde bibia beba awieye mepa cho ye to nsa de afro ede na etete wo amane be ne da wo so atre se wachie wabɔ mpa ya babo enko mekamfo Captain Jesus Prayer House ene de ama na no pay osofo a ono no da asafo ya no ansana ubenya na no wa brem ene nti we ya wa fa to no so so de bosome ba betena mpotem ha no ene na kyese ye de asase anwonwam mepa cho obi amfre ni nkyiremu ho no mo maame efu ani kyiremu ho papa efu ani kyiremu ho obi anko hwe ni hyebrem obi anko bɔ mpa ye munyina mo nsɔre ba bi awiase na duro no e wo so ko hwe o hyebrem ba bi awiase na duro no e wo se mo sɔre ko bɔ mpa ye munyina mo fu ani kyiremu Captain Jesus Prayer House ehfa ene oba yi wode ne nsesia bebo wode ne nsesia ba bebo akyem wodan Methodist Conference Hall eho no mo ene wode ne nsesia bebo ene nti woto nsa de afre mu nyina mepa akyɛw o tie me o wa akyema kyease o wa crosso o wa ofuase ayirebi o wa manso ayirebi agona mfante ni wadubiase o wa asikuma odoben brakwa ba bibiara radio ya no koka kofo dua ne mpotem mu nyina da Captain Jesus to nsa de afre mo wose mo mara bebo mpaye sanse ba bia ya duru no wa mom pa ya asem kese ene beto o ba ya na do news match no so de abowa no sanse COVID-19 e wo ho udi agora ebekun ewum so ko bom pa ye de na nso so fa Kaiser de ma Kaiser ne fa Caesar de ma Caesar na asumdwe mra se ye hunu ni se ya abrabo no e simple kra frɛ 0548 672976 0548 672976 ɛna 0505 0505 791300 0505 791300. Me pacho call Captain Jesus Prayer House ne kokobon empire pa koshia prophet Jima na nyame mfa ne so nhyira wo. Afa nyame adom a the 26th of this month and Ahenkan FM Games and Fun Festival so yɛde ebe hyehyɛ so ɛnti utie me unim table tennis bo pa unim draft ebo the friend said dame no ludu anasa spa cars unim ni nyina bo ho TV games unim bo ho ɛne ɛmfa ɛyɛ minimbo ne ntena fie fabra Ahenkan FM ha ne bra bɛbɔ me yɛnhwɛ utumi bɔ na wuwi ni a yɛ wakyɛde bebree a yɛde bɛkyɛ saafo no saa da no ɛnti utie mi a tumirika bɛfa forms nyame yɛ adom a 22nd of this month na yɛato pono no mu sɛ ɛtwire ɛne ɛwɔ na wo so woyɛ hwan wo na wo so woyɛ odi Ahenkan kra na wabɛfa forms no wabɛba na ɛtwa afɛkyew yɛabɔ me mfiri tan duku ne ɛhwɛ w'anim saa enti wompɛ agya tie bi ma me ɛna tie bi ma me ne kɔtɔbɛku ma kasa tenten bi ade a ɔhene ba ɛfiri saa bere akɔpem 22nd maana ma ɔto na ɛbra bɛfa wo forms no na 26 pɛpɛpɛ ɛna ɛde dwumadie de hyehyɛ so yɛbɛkyɛ TV yɛbɛkyɛ mobile phones yɛbɛkyɛ ɛyɛ books pens ɛna afei t-shirt ɛne nti fa ho hyɛ bia 20 Ghana cedis pɛ nti wei no nya ade a mebɛpa wo kyɛw mepa kyɛw bra bɛfa forms no bi yɛmpa wo kyɛw wɔ saa deɛ wei ho dabi sɛ wodi 20 Ghana cedis yɛbɛfa TV mobile phone books ne pens ne t-shirt ɛno nso wo se me nsan fa me nsan to me yɛ mu hu abeg dabi wɔsɔfoɔ ne bɛsɛ wopa afrɛ wopa amfrɛ 0241 512388 0241 512388 wɔn mani abere saa bi wɔn ahyɛ aseɛ frɛ tie achɔpa ni wei mu only 20 Ghana cedis bɛfa TV 20 Ghana na why fa kwa na bɛte saa asɛm wei bi ɛno nso sɛ me nsampa akyɛ wɔ ho simadua samienu na abɔ apa no pa no nkron ɛho kai na hyɛ ne so sɛ dwumadie ne yɛ Maakye live on Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Nkrofo adwenkyerɛ ba mekenkan bi de ama wɔ mo afei wi a ne yɛdi nkɔmɔ baako mmienu bi wɔ ha ne yɛama ɔkwan na nso wabɔ awura mu ebi messages na aba no mamenkenkan bi na dem adi nso ɔtete mo ha okay all right nti we see a friend is saying ɔse hi good morning Abozege 93.3 ɔse mu ni size you please then opeso of fast akwanya we so no de or say I will stand this opportunity to tell Honorable George Kwame Abuaji Oluwa MP for Aseneman so across so constituency please Honorable the Crusaders group come and meet blah 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 wahene ba oborofo na watchro ni mu ode but me say school no man ko bi ntimi nkan kafra Ena Obuoba or say, I bless your name this very morning, though you are not in God, Mate. In fact, I myself can't imagine how I like the doings of you and could see anytime you are on air. And my God too will bless you people for that. Please leave no stone unturned. Never hesitate of speaking your mind about issues affecting the district and also letting us know matters within the nation because we are in support. Obuoba, good morning. Clement Sakodie Manso anyway free by in fact, I am really touched with this message. When also saying, I say I will bring my phone Infinix Hot 10 Lite to Adepa. Why? Kwabena Steven and I will share sa a boy. Otu abako MPP ana wo Kwabena Steven because Boshe we there. Eya party bi no mota hye sa abonu mpa chew. Okay, it was meant to be the message di abawai. Adepa Kwabena Steven so the phone dey bro. Why? Nti ya no ahwe animu Kwabena Steven. Also the phone dey bro. Nti ya no ahwe animu. All right. Na ena no so ensem bebiri wo ho. Ensem bebiri wo ho. Uyi se achimodan dwakesie eja tom na mpanimfo ahye ho bo se ombe se omo ebesan reconstruct building no na fei baby I was say ye de nhoma fofa and when I was listening to a mpanimfo bebre but send ye nyina nim no baby ade no adru sisi ya no okoko kan asem bia wan hwe na said ya okọ bre obi kuro no ene nti yemfa nsi hansa ho na yensrɛ awurade sɛ ɔnka mpanimfoɔ ne ho na ɔmo ntumi sɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo bɛsan bɛsi dan no bi mu a ɔmo bɛsi dan no ɛdan no nso ɔmo bɛsi no ɛnsa gu nsa yɛm ne yɛsrɛ wɔ mo yɛsrɛ ɔmo papapapa obuo ne die mu so ɔmo si a ɛmaa na ɔmo bɛ register wɔ mo no ɔmo wɛ sɛ store no akɔdi wɔ mo hɔ afei mama mama yɛ na twamene buo bia afei wuni sika wuntimi nkɔnkɔgye store ni bi na ɛno nso so akɔkɔyɛ wuni sika akɔnkyɛnkyɛn ɛba saa de ɛbɛha adwen ɛne nti mpanimfoɔ no yɛsrɛ mo papapa mpanimfoɔ no yɛsrɛ mo papapa ɛyɛ a monhwɛ na monyɛ ne saa ɛmfa ɛma yɛn na mmoa na adeɛ baako a ɛno nso so madwene ho amente aseɛ adeɛ baako o ɛno madwene ho amente aseɛ bɛsɛ 20 years ago ɛna mpanimfoɔ yi ɔmo yɛ leaders yi ɔmo te so sisi yi ɔmo ka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ we are the future leaders yɛn nyini abɛduru saa abere yi ɔmo na ɔmo da so yɛ leaders na ɔmo nkɔ yɛ ne aba bi enti saa future leaders na ɔmo ka yɛ no na ɛbɛyɛ dan aba mu ebinom da so yɛ hwan senior advisor asoma si advisor bɛpem ne mo nso ka kyerɛ sɛ we are the future leaders yɛn nso so yɛ da so wɔ fam a you are still leading us eti na saa future leaders ya mo ka kyerɛ 20 years ago no a bɛpem saa bere enye yɛn ne leaders ya mo ana mo da so yɛ leaders no na ɛno no ɛho asɛm te sɛn yei ɛno ho asɛm te sɛn eti me dwene ho amente aseɛ anyways asɛm baako ɛda yɛ pono so a yɛba bɛdwendwen ho sisi a bato kɔ hɔ ma me yɛba bɛdwendwen ho sisi a yɛ MMDCs no anopa yi yɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ ɔmampani Akufo-Addo abɔ ne list n'akyi ɛde akɔ ɛyɛ local government and decentralization bla 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 borɔfo akɛseɛ no wabɔ akyire di ama Yewura Dambotwe sɛ Yewura Dambotwe wɔnhwɛ na wɔn announce edin no but me wadi kan ka kyerɛ sɛ edin na pie abɔnten ama Kumasi I can authoritatively say it has fallen for Sampine ɛna ɔyɛ KMA foforɔ ɛwɔ Kumasi okɔ Greater Accra nso a na nka ɔmo hwɛ nimu sɛnka the incumbent will retain his seat unfortunately for him even though the committee recommended the presidency nanso presidency wɔn twa afɛkyɛ wɔn asesa no ɛne ɛkɔ ɛde ama maame Elizabeth Saki former deputy Greater Accra region minister ɛna akɔde ama no me checks a me here from Jubilee House nso so kyerɛ sɛ anhwɛ yi anakɔpem anwummerɛ yi edin ne bɛba abɔnten ebinom so kyerɛ sɛ daabi sɛ ɛkɔpem anwummerɛ ne edin ne mba abɔnten a by Friday na edin no aba abɔnten adwempa ɛyɛ blogger a wɔn de wɔn didi saa nneɛma wi akyi nti maame nkɔ ne hɔ na mimisa no ɔno nso so wate bi a ɛho asɛm te sɛn but wobɛdi kan ɛredi Eugene Ahen ni post ne de ama me minim sɛ Eugene Ahen wei no a nti no hwehwɛ Eugene Ahen deɛ no na ɛredi no ɛfoma me na afei yɛ ma bɛdi mu nkɔmɔ kakra MMDC list bi di kan pie yɛ changes son Gabi Maakye changes eba
ɛno no deɛ mentimi nka bi deɛ wokeka ne deɛ mentimi
changes eba saa ɛnsesa ya ba bebree because usa list ne di kan ba ye no na Mohammed Ejesoa Greater Accra Accra Metropolitan Assembly no na ono na olidi but asesa akoma me Elizabeth Saki ho
okay
asesa so no you your blog and you are trying to be economical with you but here dey yaka see aka tell me say ye ma omo up to and saying 16th
yes
by 20th ebi mu kra dom so ochena by 20th na say list ne ma abonten yan anka se be bobɔ ba bi omo pe bi omo fo ye nko
na bobɔ nso na ba na asesan
ensesa your original one yenya
say wa okay was say die minute no aya wo dia okeka bi
se si ade barren die minute to say last minute changes na eno na twam se si ano papa no oluma na pile final list na wi
the post ye ni Eugene communication director or Mampanya tonight was say list of MMDCE nominees finalized by President Akufo-Addo. It will be submitted in the morning to the Minister for Local Government and Centralization, Rural Development, so Honorable Dan Botche. Expect the list to be announced by the minister very soon.
Inti post na iben
on the Facebook post.
Time Ben will post
time mesaka na no pano. Be 6:30. But now we're posting it 7 hours ago. Yes.
Just Enran will post it.
Yes.
And I say this morning.
This morning, yeah.
It's just that the American channel say the likelihood is say anumre.
Yeah.
Listen to Babon.
Yeah. Yeah. Probability.
Yes, because some media houses say. Ochina. And ne say listen now Mabon Ochina. Omobe calling the names out. Because we are sick and tired. MMDC list. There you go. MMDC list.
I just say, me who be sad and I guess that
ministers could away.
Oh, say I think say na process na person of fashion.
Me
na me say na komo person komo mo won CC ano mo maintain them for be 2 years ansa.
Mo maintain them for 2 years.
But on say ekoba ne sa na party ni bi na mo ebe yese ebe bibia wo ho me kan sa.
Na say enti
don't strategy say na di yi wo su no. Na me think say na nka obese wo ye MMDC no so sa. Was odi ka akobọ sehua kontom lade no na me say one rubber pay obese wo nye ne say on MMC no CEO su no yan say dan kan wa sam sa because wo one man ba akwa betum ti ba ko no kan say na akosi sen wo one ba akwa betum
na say we dey on one wa share boss by the close of this month list ne be ba abon
ti say dia ye di o de be kan bomaba na strategy opese o wisinu no be say dia ka chire ba duntin ya wo ha na ka ba akwa betum wo ha na ba akwa betum onim na wo so ne abobọ awi
too bad
na ka ja ano ne ya nya ntu anwiso but o say ja o de akoma ayi dia local governments dia ya hwe say ja ye twen duye no nya mbo
hwe dia tie ne say no crack kan ye ba ko pe o
na we no kra no hwe ma o say onya fa nko ya na wo say na de be kwa akoma na no pay
this morning
yeah na de be kwa akoma na no pay
o kan no enra say the morning which is ene na de be kwa akoma no
yes so the command na you expecting very soon
about who no be din come on the soon ba mu anu ahwe ni yo because soon the betimi aye soon
na making
but the issue is ebra ye dey twen na twam the waiting time atwam enu nti se na ye di kan aye bobo no se de sampan de atodwa
but no the time na the buy
me say hot there ensesa sampan ho no ensesa
yan shey
ayi friend saying Accra so the ensesa you can market everywhere
aja omo de omo nanim omo say do mo di omo agoro de friend
oh there be information dey free I know say last minute changes wo ho
yeah
and say ye Kwabena Kukufu Harry Kwabena Kukufu ebi to no e ba bonten ye de